Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As children, we all have a serious sweet tooth. Cakes, cookies, ice cream, chocolate, candies, pies, and even sodas are on every kid's favorite list. Like others, I too had that craving, but getting older, it's diminished. But not completely. There's a pie that I love a lot, and it's definitely packed with sugar. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my tarte au sucre, also known as sugar pie. In Quebec, this is a popular dessert. Is it sweet? Oh yeah, but it's so good. Often served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, this is the perfect way to indulge yourself. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a jar or a blender, we'll add brown sugar, 1 whole egg, evaporated milk, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, and a small pinch of ground sea salt. We'll cover and process until the ingredients are very well blended, stopping to clean the sides of the jar if needed. We'll pour the mixture into a pie crust sitting in a lightly greased and floured pie plate. Then we'll place another crust on top and crimp the edges. Next, we'll lightly brush on some milk and also make small incisions so the steam can escape. We'll cover the edges to prevent from burning and transfer the pie to a 375-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 15 minutes or until the crust is nice and brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool off for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our sugar pie. Deliciously sweet, this traditional Quebec dessert is great to have during the holidays. It can be served warm or chilled with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's a scrumptious treat everyone with a sweet tooth will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!